Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard, that I am providing a very crucial civil justice sign off, right, for myself, and it is a multitasking. So, with that said, I will keep reading the civil justice sign off without any delay, okay, to keep the session shortest as possible. Victims of abuse, patients' medical, finance aid compensations claims process in the year summer of 2019 to December 2019. I, Vedapriya Prose, filed lawsuit against at fault and found guilty USA nation for $50,000 trillion. And that is why domestic violent prostitution, Democrat GOP Schumer, the leader Schumer, created COVID-19 plague with fatal negligence to enforce pain infliction in my brain nerves as of February 22, 2020, 21 and beyond. And crime count 1 is at fault prostitution COVID-19 plague is Democrat GOP leader Schumer of USA failed in welfare services job and with fatal negligence created COVID-19 plague worldwide and mandated mask worldwide and enforced I, Vedapriya Prose, to wear the mask, and it is deadliest crime of COVID plague Democrat GOP Schumer of USA to enforce I, Vedapriya, to wear the mask as mandate and creating emotional torture in my brain nerves. I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge for civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want Democrat GOP Schumer of USA to pay tax-free $500 billion per president times 45 presidents of USA since 17th century will be total of tax-free 225 followed by 50 billion dollars, direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second. And wild endangered species, domestic violent, Republica prostitute, absolute monarchs, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and phases of Pope Francis failed in absolute monarch's job, and with deadliest crime of domestic violence, fatal negligence, classified as deadliest venom poisons wild endangered species, for created COVID-19 plague and mandated masks to enforce emotional torture, pain infliction on brain nerves of eye, where the pre-up So I want where wild endangered species, domestic violent, leprosy patient, Republica prostitute, absolute monarchs to sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion per prostitute, absolute monarchs times total absolute monarchs, direct deposit or wire transfer to my bank account in next 1 second. Damages to my brain nerves done by prostitute absolute monarchs is classified as a domestic violence with fatal negligence is proved. And Roman province Jesuits orgs of USA in 50 states of Wisconsin state, of Illinois state, of Michigan state, of New York state, of New England state, of Maryland state, of Louisiana state, of Missouri state, of California state, of Oregon must pay separate tax-free $500,000 trillion. Multiply that by 10 states of Jesuits is 500 followed by 4 zeros trillion dollars direct deposit to my bank account. And the domestic violent type provided by Democrat GOP Schumer comes under the classification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to chattels and types. And I hope we are all on the same page, and you all must be happy that I am able to bring this session shortest as possible with best of my ability. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, Democrat GOP leader Schumer created the COVID-19 plague, and it is crime. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.